What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Daily ASIN Teardown, powered by PickFu. Johnny with PickFu here. What are we looking at? Who's calming down? What's calming down? Well, we'll get into it. Let's take a look. So we have some calming chews for dogs, dog calming treats. All right. So if you guys have watched me do anything, you know what I'm going to say. I see the brand here, but the brand almost looks like it was kind of just stuck there. Doesn't look too blended is the better word. So calm down. Is calm down the name of it that's trademarked? If so, that's interesting. Soft chews. So it's a 60 count. We have a stylized, typography outline of a dog. I don't see any dog in the image. The pet supplement space is the Wild West. You can show dogs in the main hero image. People have done it a billion times. More importantly, we're not seeing the actual product. What's the shape of the chew look like? Is it large? Is it round? What color is it? What does it taste like? Is there a flavor? So with ginger and melatonin, the colors resonate with melatonin for calming, but show a slice of ginger or a sprig of ginger. Sprig? Is sprig the right thing? I don't know. Show some ginger, show the actual dog themselves, and show the actual product. But also, is it 2 a day? Is it as needed? Can't imagine it's daily. It's probably just as needed. Then you have some space up here on the canister lid for dead pixel space that's not being used. Let's take a look at the rest of the images in the image stack. So everything your dog needs in one tasty soft chew. Still have no idea what the chew looks like. Mind support, behaviors support. Isn't it behavior support? I could be wrong. Calm stomach, relaxation support. Also, where is this made? Is it made in the US or is it made overseas? Calm down benefits help with, okay. Calm down benefits helps. There's a lot of helps. Reduce tension, storms, fireworks, and don't just show a dog like this. Show those situations. Show a dog in a car. Show a dog and it's raining outside. Show a dog in the fireworks. You don't have to show them scared. Show them relaxed, maybe, because that's what your product does. But don't just do these kind of things. Show grooming. Canva has a million lifestyle images to show this kind of stuff. Feeding directions for dogs. Okay, so 1 up to 26 pounds. Okay, so you got a big boy. It's about 6 soft chews. Calm them down. All right, compared to for use in dogs over the age of 12 weeks. All right, okay. I still have no idea. Is there a flavor to it? Is my dog gonna like it? Product facts. Okay, so in nothing do I see the actual chew itself. All right, so finally a happy dog sitting there, but he's not in any of the scenes we're talking about. So he's not talking about made in the USA. All right. So why are we not showing that's made in the USA over here? So I have some transparency right off the rip. So you want to always do that if you're indeed made in the USA. Cosmo, stop that. My dog's acting up. I need to give him some calm down. You need some calm down. And it has ginger in it because I know you're a big fan of ginger. Anyway, so we have 60 soft chews, and then we have for cat, and then we have 120 for who? Is that for cat or for dog? For dog. So you only specify the cat. A little confusing. So you have a 3.9 star. You don't have the best star rating. It's probably going to be about flavor if I went to venture down this path. Cat will not eat. Cats won't eat it. Not a cat wanted it. It's as hard as candy. Yeah. So you're not talking about flavor or texture or showing the product. And that's, leading to some potentially negative reviews. So your bullet points are here. You don't have a lot of them. You're not tripling down into made in the USA. You have it here, though. But what's the alternative? What's the alternative to not using your product? And why is your product better? Or why is your product better than other calming chews that are out there for dogs? Brand story module. This guy looks so sad. Why does he look so sad? And why does he look like he's from an 80s synthwave video? You don't want to have sad-looking dogs. You want happy smiling dogs. Cosmo, I'm going to put you in the 80s synth wave. But you also offer more products, right? Other different solutions. Calm down, no stool eating, all in one, probiotic. But that's not your last module in the carousel, but it should be over here. This guy looks sad. Show happy dogs, people owning them, living in their best lives, all that kind of stuff. It's very, very plain. It's not really compelling to me. A+ content. All right, we don't have any. That's a miss. We need to make sure we have some A+ content. Maybe it's just one variation though. Let's see if another variation has A+ content. Yes, sometimes it does happen, folks. So the one that does have A+ content. All right, we're on the dog Wait, no, this is the cat one. All right, so this cat. What kind of paw is that? I don't know. This 80s stylized Canva colorway is not doing it for me. That might be on brand for you, but it's just show just regular images of the dogs. Don't show this. It's very, very stylized and not really great. Again, we still have no idea. This dog looks super worried. None of this is showing happy smiling faces, the actual situations. You're giving me specifics about this kind of stuff. You're telling me about the tasty soft chew, but you're not showing it to me. A lot of this is not really trustworthy, I would say, as a consumer, because why are you hiding that? You could see over here, I know you have to click into the images, main images for everyone else. They're showing it. They're showing the product, showing the product, showing the product. So you have to show the product, right? Now, there's a lot of tests you could do on PickFu with this, and we're going to do one really quickly. So you want to take a look and see why it's important. All right, kids, you knew it was coming. So I just took from the previous screen the one that stuck out for me as a competitor. I didn't do a SERP click test, which I normally like to do, but I wanted to go main image to main image on this. So I said, if you were shopping on Amazon for calming pet shoes for your dog, which product would you rather buy? Just based on the main image. And not a landslide, but almost in favor of Yuma's melatonin calming shoes. But let's take a look as to why. So you can see here, option A is the Yuma's, option B is the calming down. They like how it has a cute dog on it and the colors are better. Black and purple design, that's okay. Featuring a real dog. Real dog, makes me want to buy it more. A, as melatonin is known for sleep. But I think they said melatonin on here. Yeah, but it wasn't clear enough. See, melatonin versus melatonin. Probably by the calming chews in option A because it comes with 170 in the canister compared to 120 in B. Like how bold the branding is. I like that you can see the chews, the picture of the dog, and it contains 50 count more than option. Okay, that's something maybe you can't change. Shows the chews. You guys thought I was lying? Did you guys think I was lying when I said this kind of stuff? This is why I do this. This is why PickFu is awesome. It's an argument settler. I could say anything I want on the internet, and you could choose not to believe me or not, but this is actual consumers that are giving their insight. Information highlights all the details, tells me that it's melatonin product directly, happy and healthy looking dog. Much better, higher quality looking container. The other feels generic. Now, let's hop over to why they chose the one that we're reviewing. Lines up with comfort feeling in the blue and pink design, sunset, actual calming. We spoke about that. That does work. The images and label are very calm. It has ginger in it. Makes me think of an all-natural product. I'd rather have something that will calm my dog when they're stressed out rather than putting them to sleep. So that's interesting, right? It's interesting to see that because some folks won't want to just a sleep aid. Maybe they just want to calm their dog down. But you can see from this image to this image how they can make it better showing a dog. Doesn't have to be on the label. It could be, or it could be behind the product itself. Showing the chews, talking more clearly that it's melatonin, made in the US. No one really brought that up, but that it definitely is something of consideration for sure. And they do say chicken flavor here as well. So guys, that's it for today's episode of the Daily ASIN Teardown, where we talk about all good things every day, Monday through Friday, about how to make your Amazon listing better and how to do it with the power of PickFu. Now, if anything I said in this video was informationally informative, compelling, thought-provoking, and you're like, John, I don't want to do it myself. I want you to do it. Sure, we can do it. We have the Done For You package, DFY, as the cool kids call it. We take your ASIN, we do all the research in PickFu, we test, poll, everything we need to do, get all those consumer insights and make a data-driven decision. And then we have our designers on staff that are experts from me. No, I'm just kidding. They do get some insights from me, but they are experts nonetheless in their own for CTR imagery on Amazon. What's compelling to get the click, and they're using the PickFu data around it. So if that's interesting to you, take a look at the link below in the description. We're happy to help you guys. But that is it for today's episode. We will see you tomorrow for the next daily ASIN Teardown, powered by PickFu, with Johnny with PickFu. And my dog is actually now just fell asleep without the calming aid. But I will say, if you own a dog, you understand how trying it is when there's fireworks going on, when there's loud noises and stuff like that. How are you shopping on Amazon? Drop a comment how you're shopping on Amazon for these kind of products and what's compelling to you. I'd love to hear more. We'll see you guys tomorrow.